guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on a new bike. Well, it's not a new bike, but a new to the channel bike. This is a 06 CBR1000rr. As you can see, it was in a pretty bad accident. It's in really rough shape. But we have a whole bunch of parts on the back here. So we pretty much have a whole new bike sitting back there. We have a whole bunch of work coming up for this bike. I don't know how many videos it's gonna be. I have to see. We're probably gonna find some hidden damage and stuff that comes along. So I don't know yet how many videos it's gonna be. I might even make it into one, but I kind of doubt it. Let me flip the camera around and show you exactly what we're dealing with. So to begin, we're missing pretty much the whole front. Stay bracket gone, headlight gone, speedo is gone. Half of the plastics are, well, more than half of the plastics are gone. We're missing the front harness that goes to the headlights. We have subframe damage here. It's not bent, it's cracked. So there you can see it right here. We're missing the muffler for the exhaust. Broken tail light. The tire took a very good hit right here. So we got a new tire. The wheel is pretty bent. I don't know if you're gonna be able to save it or not. We're gonna have to see on that one. The side cover for the engine is cracked down here. I'm not sure if it has oil. I have to check. But yeah, supposedly it runs. I have never heard it run before, but that's gonna be the main goal today, is to get it run. And I wanted to make a short comment on this. This is a plain example why you should never have started on a 1000 bike. The guy that had this bike before literally had it for 5 hours before he crashed it. And he made it, but it's in pretty rough shape right now. So yeah, this is why you don't start on 1000. And I'm not your dad. I'm not telling you to do it or not, but that's why you shouldn't. Also right here, forgot to show you, forks are bent and really bad right here. It's not cracked, but it's almost cracked right here. So we almost could have saved this part, but we can't because of this right here. See? So we got a used set that we got from eBay right there. Should be that one there. Alright guys, this is going to be the first attempt. Basically, I just put a pin to bypass the tip-over sensor. I put 2 bulbs because some of these Hondas, if you don't have the bulbs in the harness, they won't start. And we plugged in the speedo, brand new, 0 miles. So if everything is good, we should be able to start right now. That was a short video, guys. At least we got it running. Not a short video, but a short try, because I haven't checked the oil. I haven't checked any of that, so I don't want to run it for too much. I don't know if it's got coolant. Now that we know that the engine is good, it actually runs. I kind of suspected that, because usually when you buy a bike like this that has wrecked, it means it was running, and it was running pretty good to be mangled this much. So I kind of knew that it was gonna run. I didn't know for sure, but I suspected it. But yeah, now we can concentrate on fixing all this and make it look whole again. And that's the plan. Let's get to it. So we found some stuff. We found a switch that we don't know what it does with a cable that goes up front. Gonna have to follow and see what this is, see if we can take it off. Most likely, this is definitely not OEM. We found this contraption. Don't know what it is either. I mean, I have no clue. I know it goes to the tail light, but what is the purpose of the hoses and this? No idea. Never seen that in my life. So we got the subframe out. There she is. Here's the old subframe, what's left of it. Right now we're gonna give it a good clean on this area here, because after we put the replacement subframe, it's gonna be harder to do so. So we're gonna give it a good degrease and wipe it off as good as we can before it's actually hardened afterwards. So yeah, we'll get that done and we'll back to show you the process. So we got the forks on. This new to us set that we got from eBay. They have some overspray, but other than that, they're straight and they're not leaking. So that's good. We got those mounted on. Next step is gonna be secure the tire, the wheel. And after that, I think we're pretty much good to go with the front here, replace the stay, and we should be ready to put the plastics because we already got the subframe on. So yeah. So here's the bike almost done. We just gotta put the fender on, but I left it off because I gotta do some wiring here for the blinkers. Other than that, I also gotta take this two off and do the wiring for the tail light. But this color is looking super sharp, man. I can't wait to see it on the sunlight. But in here in the garage, it's looking sick. Alright guys, here's the CBR1000. It's pretty much done. I will be making some stickers, but that will be probably off video. This bike, I forgot to mention, this is not one of my personal bikes. This is actually one of my good friends' bike. He's gonna keep this one, but he still helped me build it, and he agreed to feature on the channel. So, but yeah, here how she looks. There's still some work to be done on it, but like I said, this is gonna be probably off camera, and it's just looking badass. I also wanted to show you my bike, my personal bike, which I actually never got to show on the video before, on the channel, I mean. And I'm definitely loving this with this bike. You usually don't see it because she is most of the time inside the house. I keep her in my living room. And I guess I'll give you a sound demo as well. Before I forget, this is a 2020 Kawasaki C900. All right, guys. See you next. We'll be test riding this probably in a few minutes. And that will be the end of the video.